How to adjusting the water pressure switch on a Pentair Mastertemp 125 pool heater. The switch is located about 2 feet below the water level. How do you tell if it's open or closed? Does the power need to be connected?
Who manufactured the pool?
It's a above-ground 24 feet round pool.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Is there anything else the pool technician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Good morning, I'm Gerald. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues and will do all I can to assist you. It's easiest to make adjustments while the pump and heater are on. There will be a small knob on top of the pressure switch. You'll want to turn this to the left, counterclockwise, to reduce the amount of pressure needed for it to engage.
Reduce the amount of what, water, to the pool and how much?
The way you want to do it is to turn it slowly while the pump is running and then the heater is on. At some point, you'll hear a click as the heater detects flow and begins its firing sequence. Yes, it reduces the amount of water pressure needed to engage. Pressure switches wear out over time or get out of adjustment. If you get it turned all of the way and the heater never comes on, you'll need to replace it.
Thanks. All set up and running fine.
Good to hear. Thank you for using JustAnswer. Please reach out if you have further questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.